Hello everyone. Let's learn few basic conversation in Kannada. Today we are going to learn how to greet someone in Kannada. Hello. Namaskara. Hello. Namaskara. Good morning. Shubhodaya. Good morning. Shubhodaya. Good afternoon. Shubha Madhyana. Good afternoon. Shubha Madhyana. Good day. Shubhadina. Good day. Shubhadina. Good evening. Shubha Sanjay. Good evening. Shubha Sanjay. Good night. Shubha Ratri. Good night. Shubha Ratri. See you soon. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. See you soon. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Bye bye everyone.